Beauty begins when you decide to be yourself. So when Megha decided to turn her passion into profession, it was a beginning of a totally new journey that not only gave her outer beauty but a lot of inner confidence. When she embraced motherhood, she realized over the period of time it took a toll on her physical and emotional health. And soon it was very much visible in the form of fatigue, stress, anxiety on her face. What followed was sleepless nights. As Megha tried to cover up this tension on her face with layers of makeup, she realized this solution was far away from being permanent and natural. And that's when Megha decided to study more and turn a certified face yoga expert. This technique not only brought her a lot of peace and calmness, but also brought back her lost confidence. Today, with her studies and technique, she is helping so many women out there to embrace aging so naturally and gracefully. Let's talk to Megha and find out more about this beautiful practice. So, hi Megha, thank you so much for being on my series From the Heart. And to have a facial yoga expert today, I know there is so much to ask, but what I really want to know that they say beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, what are your views that a beautiful face can actually affect your mental health?
Okay, thank you, Divya, for having me. So, my take on beauty is actually a little different from what the world perceives it, right?
Okay,
So, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, okay?
right.
But we never take care of our eyes, do we? We
No.
are always busy, polishing our face with either makeup or maybe
Hmm.
the skincare available in the market.
True.
What are we doing for eyes? We are
Hmm.
just stressing our eyes.
Hmm.
So how will somebody look beautiful just through the eyes?
Okay.
So what I feel about beauty is beauty should be something that's present within you.
Okay.
If your mind is beautiful, if your thoughts are beautiful,
Hmm.
you are beautiful inside out.
Absolutely.
So when we practice face yoga, we are actually calming our senses. And you know
Okay.
what? Face yoga is not just this, the face.
Okay.
Face consists of this area. Whenever we apply makeup, also, if we compare, in terms of makeup,
True.
then we apply foundation here as well. It's
True.
not just here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, similarly, when we talk about face yoga, we talk about mindfulness. Whenever the
Okay.
term yoga is connected to something,
Hmm.
we talk about mindfulness, we talk
Okay.
about breath, we talk about cooling our mind,
Lovely.
we talk about the gut,
Gut.
because
So it's
if
a
you're
full
yes,
package for your mental
it's an
health.
overall package. So that's how when we say that face yoga contributes a lot towards mental health, because it contributes towards your confidence, it contributes towards your gut.
Okay.
You become more mindful about what's good for your skin and what's not good for your skin.
True.
So it's a complete package.
Complete package,
It's
yeah.
pranayam, it's breathing, it's massages, it's exercises,
Everything.
it's
Good
all
eating
in
habits.
one. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Good sleeping
Yeah.
habits. So
Okay.
everything is just interlinked.
Okay.
So that's how it contributes so much with the
Lovely.
mental health.
How lovely. But they say every face tells a story.
Yeah.
So when you meet somebody, I think how we've met today for the first time, the first thing that you resonate with or that you remember is the face.
Yeah.
Means I'm not going to go back home and say that, oh, I loved her hands or I loved her feet
Yes.
and this. The first vibe is the face.
Yeah.
So tell us something that with the right practices, with the right exercise, how can we make this first impression a lasting impression?
Okay, so the first thing, Divya, your face is the mirror of your
Right.
body, right?
True.
And your body, it operates from within.
Yes.
So, first and the foremost thing that everyone should take care of is your inside body parts. What are you putting inside your body? That matters. If you're eating too much of oily food, it'll obviously show up on your face with a
True.
lot of acne, zits here and there,
True.
right?
True.
So I think the main steps that everybody can take to keep our face glowing, so that it leaves a marking impression on the person in front. it should start from within.
Okay.
Your lifestyle, your diet, your sleeping patterns. Movement is another major pillar when we talk about face yoga.
Okay.
Movement, just sitting and doing massages every day, all throughout the day, is going to give you no results.
No results.
Rather, it'll add up to your, another line on forehead, maybe, or maybe a
Right.
good sagging skin.
Right.
So, movement is very important.
Okay.
We should move our body more. Another thing is a good skincare routine,
Which is very important.
which is very important. So
Okay.
I don't just believe in CTM, which is cleansing, toning, moisturizing.
Hmm.
I believe in CCTM, that is cleansing, toning, and moisturizing.
Oh.
So the cleansing comes twice. So the
Okay.
first cleansing is your outer face, okay, the skin level. The second cleansing is from within.
Internal.
The
Yeah.
detox that you practice,
Lovely.
from inside the body.
Okay.
So, after somebody who's taking care of so many things of yourself around you, no person on this earth could not remember that person.
True,
It's
true.
like that.
Yeah.
Plus, there are few tips, a few, exercises which you can quickly do in your daily routine.
Okay.
Like if you are just watching something and your eyes are really tired, why not just calm your eyes?
True.
So simple trick that you can strengthen your eye muscles. This is the eye muscle around. A simple trick you can follow is just look at this finger.
Okay.
Just take it far,
Okay.
bring it here, take it right,
Okay.
take at the center, left at the center.
And your eyes are constantly moving with
Because
it.
yes, your
Okay.
eyeballs are constantly looking at the fingers, and this is a very good exercise to strengthen your eyes.
Lovely. Lovely.
As you say, the beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. So you need to take care of eyes. So these are the little things that we can take care of.
Yeah.
Instead of massaging everything just downward, why not just inverse it? Just massage upward and see the lift your face get.
Just feeling uplifted.
Yes,
Yeah.
little tweaks that you need to do. Instead of sitting like this and talking to somebody, why not just sit straight and just talk to somebody? I think a confident body language will leave a more embarking
True.
impression
Yes.
rather than a very conservative body language.
True.
And
just be yourself.
Yes, don't try to become what you are not.
What you're not.
Yes.
That's such a beautiful thought
Yes.
because in today's world we live in so many issues
Yes.
that it's so important. And thank you so much for making me believe that beauty is not just the face. Beauty is the real light of our
Absolutely.
heart. And I think we all would glow very differently if we are in the company of right people who have right intentions and who just make life so beautiful. So thank you, Megha,
Absolutely.
for helping so many women out there to find their real beauty and get back their confidence like never before.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Divya.
so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.